What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Starting off another great day out here in Toronto. Well, let's not say great. Let's say I'm okay today because it's a snow day. Plus, I hate snow. Snow fucking sucks. Anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm taking the day off. Cameron Fry, get dressed and come on over. Ferris Bueller. Anyways, I gotta go downstairs to get some coffee right now. Alright, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me, but I feel like my head's killing me right now. Like, it hurts so bad. I've never been in so much head pain in my life right now. Like, it fucking hurts so fucking bad. Alright, sure, sorry, should not swear, sorry about that. I'll try really hard not to swear, but sometimes I can't help it though. But guys, speaking of that, right now, I'm trying to find a way how to bleep out the profanity on my vlogs. Like, I did that before, but I need to record with my iPhone for that, which is a huge pain in the... Never mind, and basically what you need to do. So that's what I'm trying to find out how to do that on my computer, though. Maybe one of you can comment down below and tell me how to bleep them out, though. That way I don't, because I don't want to get banned from YouTube, that's all. Because remember what happened with Logan Paul? He nearly got banned from YouTube, though, but he got lucky. They gave him a second chance. Alright, guys, right now I'm just going to go upstairs and read this. Actually, we're not going to do some vlogging right now. Let's make the vlog so entertaining for you guys! Okay, so I have this hairdryer right now. I'm pretending I put baby powder in it. And I'm going to prank my mom and see if I can get a good reaction of it. Mom! Mom! Ready to get white hair?
No.
Here you go.
Okay, stop it. Right, Cameron, stop it.
You get white hair right now. Here you go. Come on.
I tried to go red stuff. All this time I stayed here and I tried to treat the tumor and I waited on your miracle cure. It didn't come and it sucks. But it's not your fault. You tried. Now just I wanna go see some shows. I wanna see Broadway before I die. Not just on my computer. I wanna touch it and I wanna smell it and I want to sing. Like, I'll just sing on the street and I'll sing on Broadway.
Come on. 3, 2, 1.
Do it.
I turned off.
Okay, goodbye.
You want more, don't you?
No, I don't.
What's that?
You take it and put it away.
You like it?
No.
One more time. Alright, this time I'll put baby powder and not do it. How's that?
Okay, goodbye.
Alright, that's enough. Hope you guys enjoyed. Mom, I'm posting this video all over the internet. She is so pissed at me right now. Tell them to thumbs up the video, Mom.
What?
Tell them to thumbs up the video.
Thumbs up the video.
Yep, you heard her.
Damn, I don't want it.
What's that?
I don't want you to joke anymore.
She's so pissed. What's that? How about I put some cheese powder in it? How's that? Get you? How's that? Or I dye your hair red. How's that, Mom? Do you like that?
I'm not talking about it anymore.
She's so mad at me right now. She is so mad at me right now. God, she's so angry as fuck right now. Baby powder, actual baby powder. Hey, Mom. What's this? What's this, Mom?
Cam, goodbye.
You want me to pour it on you?
No, I don't. Can you please put it away?
Here you go.
I don't want to be on video. No, I don't want to be on video right now.
Alright. Pouring this on to you in 3, 2, 1. Can I scare you?
Cameron, I just worked out. My hair's a mess.
What?
Go away.
Go away! Oh my gosh. That's just so hilarious. Hey mom. I'm posting this video all over the internet.
6, 8, 7, 2.
Alright guys, so I'm currently doing some vlogging right now. So how are you guys doing today? What's going on, everybody? Just watching a hockey game right now.
Before we go.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Do not forget to turn on your post notifications, as I give notification shouts every single day to people who have my notifications turned on. Here today, shouts of the day. Boom, 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 boom. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.